Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today we have LED letter lights, and just to kind of give you an idea, on the front of each box, it says, so you buy the letter and it says, please buy the controller. Okay, so on the controller box, it says, please buy the letter lights. So this is basically two items that you have to get together. That is like absolutely necessary. So let's open them up and see what we have. I bought a letter G, and a letter M, Garage Mahal. So just to kind of give you an idea of why I did that. And then this is the controller. So let's open up letter G, since that's going to be the first one that we're going to be looking at. So you get a set of stickers. You get your letter instruction booklet. So basically it's going to kind of tell you how to connect it, where to put the stickers, or you can actually do like a wall fitting, a wall mount. So that is your wall mount that's included. And this is the letter G, kind of give you an idea. So it has two power cords on it, so you can put one to the power supply, one to your other letter, and then that is the little hook that would, so if you went into a wall with the screw fitting, you can hook that onto the wall, or you can use the included adhesive backings to basically put them somewhere. So we're just going to mount that there for now. And then we're going to open up the G, the M. So same thing, it comes with some adhesive and some screws. And then that is the letter M. Let's put these boxes off to the side. So that is really cool. So we are going to actually hook the letter G and the M together as it falls over. So it just like a little cable goes, mounts. So the wires are a little on the stiff side, so it's not like sitting as nice as I'd like it to, but that can kind of give you an idea. So GM. We're going to open up the controller box, which basically has the instruction manual on it and how that works, and then just goes through a couple different configurations. It does have an app that you can download. So let's hook this up and see what we can do with this. Always open boxes. So this is your controller end that you're going to plug into your letter. So that snaps together. And then it has a standard USB fitting at the end. So we'll just plug that into one of our empty USB brackets. So that is pretty cool. And it's kind of hard to see with the lighting in here, but I think you can kind of get a little bit of the glow that comes out of that. Then this has the remote control. So it's kind of going through the sequence of lights. Let me see if I can't turn off the one set of lights. I think it might kill the overhead camera, but let's take a look. So yeah, so that is your lighting that you get. And then we're going to have this remote control. And then as my camera slowly adjusts. Alright, but that gives you a really cool idea of like how these are. They are like, they're bright and they're subtle. And let me turn everything back on, and hopefully that camera will come back online up top. Yes, it does. And then laying it down, you can kind of see more of the color detail as that camera comes back online. That's pretty neat. And then this takes two AAA batteries, which I think I have. Nope. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. So we have the two AAA batteries that we're basically going to put in there. I like using the Amazon batteries. They seem to work the best and the longest. And then we're going to put this remote back together again. Basically just push that together. And then that is going to be your power switch. So obviously that turns that on and off pretty easy. And back on. Then you have a couple different settings on here, like so that will give you your red, your green, your blue. So, and again, you should see enough of the reflection of the lights. Move it back a little bit more, maybe that will give you an idea. But yeah, like really cool. And you can adjust the brightness. So that was your highest setting, so you can dim them. That gives you your brightest setting. I kind of like blue. I think blue looks pretty nice. All right, so I turn the light off, my overhead light, and that gives you a really better idea of the color on that. Even though it's going to be upside down, but that is the, so that's the red. So you can definitely see that the red color come out better from the overhead. Green, and then your blue. So, I mean, it is pretty awesome. And I cannot even remotely do the lighting justice on these. Okay. Anyway, let's plug that light back in. Okay, so we're going to actually move these forward, and then we're going to work on the app. So basically it says app download and help. So we are going to bring up our camera, and we're going to scan the QR code. And it's going to bring up to our web address. So show options, we're going to hit open in browser. Okay, download the controller. And we're going to go to Google Play Store. And it is Apple compatible as well, so you can get that. So it's downloading the app, it's about like 17 megs, installs really fast. We're going to hit open. I'm just going to hit agree, and then it kind of like shows that little light logo. We're going to hit allow, and then it automatically connects, which is like wonderful. So you have all your different color options. You know, you can make them white, red, green, blue, all sorts of different colors. And there's so many other features that these lights do. I kind of prefer the blue, and again, overhead, give you kind of an idea of the blue glow on it. But, and apologize for the studio lighting, it gets so bright, the cameras adjust to it, but if you had these in a darker area. Anyhow, this app is pretty cool. I like that you can adjust it to any color under the spectrum, any types of different mixes on there, so that works out really good. You have a couple different styles. You have a music mode that I guess when you're playing in conjunction with your music lists, your lights will do something. And yeah, but that's it. Absolutely love these things. Can't wait to mount these onto the wall somewhere in the studio, just to kind of like show off Garage Mahal GM. Anyhow, does come with the other extensions, so you can put multiple letters together to make a you know, a nice bright lettered sign for yourself. But anyhow, absolutely love these things. Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and you know, enjoy.